To enable two-factor authentication on Coinbase, start by downloading the Coinbase app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, locate it on your device and open it. Upon opening the app, you will be taken to the home page, where you can find the Settings option. Select the Settings option, and then choose the Security section. Within the Security section, you will find various options, including the ability to enable two-factor authentication. This option can also be found in the main Coinbase app by signing in, going to Settings, and selecting the option to make two-factor authentication necessary. To complete the process, simply fill out the required information. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an additional layer of security to your account, and following these steps can help you to do so.